and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last lesson we learned about concatenating strings. This lesson we will learn about multiplying strings. Multiplying strings is when you're asking the computer to give you a certain text a certain amount of times. For example, we can ask it to print the word balloon 5 times by not writing balloon, 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 and not by writing this 5 times over here, but you can also ask it to print 5 times using the operator times, 5 times balloon. Balloon is a string, so it has to be in quotes. So now let's try. It prints the same thing without you writing so much. Now you ask it to give you a certain string a certain amount of times. It also works with different words, strings and numbers. For example, print 20 times watermelon, and here it's printing 20 times watermelon. So multiplying strings, as we found out, is when you ask the computer to give you a certain string a certain amount of time. So bye and see you next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. It would really motivate me to teach you more. Bye.